Do you want to make money online freelancing on Fiverr but don't have any experience? This video will show you 30 gigs you can create today, even if you don't have any skills. Number 1. Business names and slogans. Anyone can create business names or slogans. The only thing you need is a bit of creativity. Number 2. Domain name research. Besides coming up with business names, you can also create a separate gig for coming up with domain names. Number 3. Transcription. Another easy gig is offering transcription services. For example, you can transcribe interviews or retype scanned documents into Word. Number 4. Life coaching. You don't have to be a certified coach to provide coaching services. You can coach people on various topics without having any professional experience. For example, some female Fiverr sellers provide coaching related to Tinder. Number 5. Beta reading. Some authors want to gather feedback before publishing their work. There are Fiverr sellers who offer beta reading services and earn money by just reading books and providing feedback. Number 6. Spokesperson videos. Anyone can make spokesperson videos. You don't need to buy any expensive equipment. Many buyers look for natural selfie-style videos you can shoot with your phone. Number 7. Translation. Translation services are pretty popular on Fiverr. Most translations are from or to English, so you should have a good command of English. Number 8. Language tutoring. Anyone can be a language tutor, even without any teaching experience. Many people want to have just conversational classes. You would only talk in your native language and correct mistakes. Number 9. Proofreading. English proofreading services are very competitive, and buyers require some prior experience. But if your native language is not English, you can provide proofreading services for your language. The demand will be lower, but the competition as well. Number 10. Convert files. Converting files is probably the easiest service you can provide on Fiverr. For example, you can make money by converting Word documents into PDF. If you don't know how to convert files, you can type into Google Free File Converter, and you will find many free tools. Number 11. User testing. You can test websites or applications and provide feedback. User testing is invaluable as it helps companies understand how people interact with their products. All you need to do is spend some time interacting with a product and make notes of what you liked and didn't, and if you encountered any problems. Number 12. Data entry. Can you copy and paste? You can offer data entry services. Many Fiverr sellers offer copy and paste services, web research, or contact data collection. Number 13. Remove background. Removing a background from an image is easy, but not for everyone. Many people don't know that free online tools can remove a background from a picture in just a few seconds. Often you don't need to have any skills and only need to know what tool to use. Number 14. Trip plans. Another easy gig you can create is related to traveling. You can create itineraries, provide guide services in your city, or offer any help related to your country. Number 15. Virtual assistant. We have already mentioned a lot of easy services you can do without any skills. You can list everything from this video in your gig description and offer virtual assistant services. Number 16. Resume design. There are many services in the graphics and design category that you can offer without having any design skills. One of them is offering resume design. All you have to do is download a free template from websites like Canva. Number 17. Book cover design. Similarly to resume design, you can design book covers. You would go to Canva, select one of the free templates, and customize it with the Canva editor. Number 18. T-shirt design. T-shirt design services are in high demand. Many people sell custom t-shirts on Amazon or Teespring. You can once again use free Canva templates. Another website worth checking is Placeit by Envato. Placeit also has various nice t-shirt mockups. Number 19. Social content. Do you know you can make money by just writing Instagram captions? People are willing to pay to create social content for their social media accounts. Number 20. YouTube thumbnail design. Designing YouTube thumbnails can be very lucrative. If YouTubers like your design, they might contact you whenever they publish a new video. If you go to Canva and search for YouTube thumbnails, you will find many free templates that you can easily customize. Number 21. YouTube Intro Video. YouTubers don't need just thumbnails. They also need intro or outro videos. Once again, you can find many free templates on Canva. People are willing to pay more for this service, so you might get Canva Pro to have access to more premium videos. Besides Canva, you can also check VideoBolt. Number 22. YouTube Subtitles. Another easy service related to YouTube is creating subtitles. Not all YouTubers want to use the subtitles automatically generated by YouTube, as they are not always 100% accurate. Number 23. Presentation Design. Designing presentations is another service you can provide without any experience, thanks to various free templates. You can use Canva to provide multiple services from this video. You can have more than just one design gig. Number 24. Product Modeling. Do you like taking pictures or shooting videos of yourself? Be a product model. Businesses need pictures and videos of customers interacting with their products for marketing purposes. Number 25. Shoutouts and Promotion. If you have a YouTube channel or a social media account with a lot of followers, you can offer shoutouts. You can be a brand ambassador for and formal long-term collaborations. Number 26. Online Tutoring. Are you savvy in any subject? Then, you can offer tutoring lessons. There are Fiverr sellers who offer math, physics, or even chess tutoring. Number 27. SEO Audit Report. You can offer SEO audit reports even if you know nothing about SEO. There are websites that generate very detailed SEO audit reports. For example, audit tools from Ahrefs or SEMrush. Nevertheless, you will have to pay to use these tools. There are a few free tools like the one from Ubersuggest, but they are not as detailed. Number 28. WordPress. To be a WordPress developer, you don't need to know how to code. WordPress is a content management system, so you can build an entire website with a drag-and-drop builder. It does require some learning, but it is nothing complicated and worth the time, as you can charge quite a lot for WordPress websites. Number 29. Fitness and Nutrition. If you are a health and fitness enthusiast, you can have a Fiverr gig for creating training or nutrition plans. You don't need to be a licensed fitness coach to offer these services on Fiverr. Number 30. Creativity. If you can be creative, you can make money on Fiverr by just making people laugh. It can be literally anything. For example, some Fiverr sellers create videos with funny accents or hilarious birthday videos. Now that we have gone over the list, you might wonder how much you could earn by offering these services. Let's do a hypothetical example. You offer beta reading services, and your pricing starts at just $10. Let's be pessimistic and assume that 80% of all your buyers get the cheapest package, and only 20% buy one of the more expensive ones. In 1 month, let's assume you have 10 orders. You would earn $140. After Fiverr's 20% cut, you would be left with just $112. To earn over $1,000 a month, you would have to get 90 orders. However, it is unrealistic to have that many orders, especially if you are a new seller. You would have to charge more to earn that amount with fewer orders. Let's assume now that you create YouTube intro videos and that your pricing is a bit higher. Now with just 10 orders, you would make $380. $304 after Fiverr's 20% cut. If you managed to get 30 orders, you would earn a little over $900. If more than 20% of buyers bought one of your more expensive packages, you would make over $1,000 a month. 30 orders a month is still quite a lot, but much more realistic than 90 orders. If you offered WordPress website development, you could charge a lot more and earn $1,000 monthly with just a few orders. But obviously, as a new seller, you could not charge hundreds of dollars for your services. You would first need to become at least a level 2 seller, preferably a top-rated seller or a pro seller, and get many 5-star reviews. If you would like to learn how to become a top-rated seller in just 1 year, check the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any similar videos. If you have any questions or comments about Fiverr, leave a comment below. I will reply to all of them.